Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the post-market analysis. Today is a Wednesday, it's May 15, 2024. Right now it's 8:46 p.m. So the market, like futures market open last night is kind of like drifting up and down, and which is kind of should be because of the major like a data release, which is a CPI, and it apparently it looks like it's going up, but when it get to the like a CPI release, and it seems like everyone kind of feel like, oh my gosh, it's coming. So it came back and make the new low here. Uh, I, I'm not really sure whether it make a new low or not. Probably it did. And then when the data release, it basically shoot up. This this is another 32 points, and which is somewhat kind of like mirroring the move during the like a PPI release. So it's a really fascinating move here. That's like jack up this much, and then it have been able to stay above these levels. And if we go back to look at here, it kind of it opened up and then basically kind of found the bottom here, and later basically just kind of going up. And of course everyone's watching like a 5300. However, it was able to push through, and it make a new high at 5311 and 76. So it came back down a little bit to close at 5308. I have to say, I guess nobody going to argue with this. The closing is really, really strong, super strong. In terms of tomorrow, I would say the important level would be this 5287 level, and maybe it's okay if we could get down to 5285. But I would argue that I would say the more that it coming down here, say especially below 5285, then it could be coming further down here. But yeah, this is from today's perspective is I would say it should stay above this 5287 and 51 level. If it break that, then probably it's going to be tough. As you see my on my chart, the futures are kind of open pretty upbeat, and right now it's already up like more than 5 points. And whether this is going to be topping at this 5340 level and then coming back down to test this level, and then if not, probably come back to test this 5329 level. I'm talking about this at the futures level, okay? Maybe, but likelihood tomorrow is going to aiming for this. First would be this 5364, and we don't know. It looks like this number looks pretty good, like a 5401. So basically, this would be 5400 level. So it could possibly kind of trying to shoot for that uh, tomorrow. So it's of course that means a really big move. Uh, so I would say, yeah, it's on the SPX side, it's like I would say tomorrow more likely it will going to touch this 53.30 level. If it could kind of penetrate through there, then likely it's going to this 53 level. So basically it's a 53.50 level. So we shall see. Right, as of right now, it's pretty upbeat, and uh, we need to see how it open and how it move tomorrow. The but I think the as in terms of today's move and yesterday I said this 5300 level, and that's yeah, I think that's kind of spot on. And yeah, right now I feel like with this kind of market structure, and it's a pretty I personally don't feel like say making other like a moving average and other things. Uh, I would say those are sometimes I look at it just feel like a noise and kind of freaking ourselves out. And with this structure is knowing that where is the market is playing around, and it's a lot more peaceful. So to me, I will continue to kind of I like this simple structure, and yeah, it's about how to kind of use different kind of instrument to take advantage of the market. Uh, what I would call like a harvest the energy from the market. Now, let's go over to tomorrow. So here's a here's a calendar for tomorrow. So first is at 8:30 have the building permits, and then export price, housing start, import price. So all these are pricing information. It seems a lot at like 8:30. We'll also have a jobless claim, fully fed business condition, and also these fully fed data like the CapEx, employment, new orders, price pays, and then 9:15 is another batch. It's industrial production, capacity utilization, uh, yeah, manufacturing productions. Then 10 o'clock it come with the uh, Fed speech from Fed Bar, and then 10:30 another speech from Fed Hawker, and 10:30 also have natural gas inventory. So and then 11:30 is another speech coming from Fed Master. So wow, it's quite intimidating, like a three speeches there. And then 11:30 as usual, there are like a treasury bill auctions. And then 12 o'clock it's mortgage, mortgage rate information. And this could be a something could potentially make the closing really volatile, which is at 3:50. There's another speech coming from Fed Bostic. I guess tomorrow going to be, oh my gosh, it's going to be really interesting day. I'm not going to say freaking out, but just be careful. And I guess yeah, I would say just go with the energy. Um, don't bring anything with you, and just be able to um, go with it like in the moment. Don't listen to anything. Just do it that way. Um, I think that's what I would like to share with you all, and I wish you all the best. and may the energy be with you all the time. Thank you.